Listen, if you skip this video, you might miss something that could actually make you money. Not tomorrow, not next year, soon. Because right now, there are people making money online with no experience. And the scary part? They're not smarter than you. They just started earlier. Let me ask you something. Have you ever tried to make money online and failed? Maybe you watched videos. Maybe you tried something and nothing worked. Yeah. That's exactly where most people quit, and that's why they stay broke. But here's the truth. Nobody tells you. Making money online is not hard. You're just starting the wrong way. So let me simplify this for you. There are only two things you need. First, a way to make money. Second, a way to grow it. Miss one of these, and you lose the game. Let's start with the first one. Making money. Forget complicated ideas. Forget get rich quick. Your only goal right now is to make your first $10. Not 1,000, not 100, just 10. Because the moment you make your first money online, everything changes. You stop guessing. You start believing. So how do you do it? Simple. You help people. That's it. Every dollar online comes from solving a problem. People don't want to edit videos. People don't want to design thumbnails. People don't want to write scripts. So they pay someone else. That someone can be you. Start with something simple. Video editing, thumbnail design, or even AI content. And no, you don't need to be perfect. In fact, being imperfect is how you start. Charge less. Get your first client, even if it's $5, because that first payment changes your mindset forever. Now here's where things get interesting. What if you could make money without working for clients? That's where AI comes in. Right now, people are creating videos without showing their face, without recording their voice, and still making money. AI writes the script, AI generates the voice, you just combine everything and upload. At first, nothing happens. 0 views, 0 results. And this is where most people quit. But if you don't quit, something crazy happens. One video starts getting views, then another. And suddenly, you're making money. Now listen carefully, because this is the part most people ignore. Making money is only half the game, because if you don't know how to keep it, you will lose it. And that's exactly what most people do. They make money and then spend everything. New phone, new clothes, temporary happiness, and they're back to 0. Don't do that. Do this instead. Take a part of your money and invest it. You don't need a lot. Even a small amount is enough. Because investing is not about speed. It's about time. Money sitting in your account slowly loses value, but money invested slowly grows. Day by day, month by month, year by year. And this is how real wealth is built. Not fast, but consistently. So remember this: make money, keep money, grow money. That's the system. Simple, but powerful. Now here's the real question. Are you actually going to do it? Or are you going to watch this, feel motivated, and forget everything tomorrow? Because most people will. Don't be like most people. Start today. Start small. Because one day, you'll look back and be glad you did. And if you want more real methods like this, subscribe and start your journey now.